Forget bone broth. This food builds muscle and kills sarcopenia. There comes a moment in life when simple things start to feel harder. Standing up, climbing stairs, even holding something firmly in your hands. Many people believe this is just aging, but what if that quiet muscle loss has a name and a solution? Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't have to take over your life. What you eat every day can either slowly weaken your body or rebuild it from within. And here's the surprising truth: one common health food may not be the answer anymore. There are better, more powerful foods your body truly needs. If staying strong, independent, and full of life matters, this channel is here to support that journey. Subscribe and stay connected for simple, science-backed health tips made especially for those over 50. And share in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat daily? Chicken breast is a lean and easily digestible protein source that plays an important role in maintaining and rebuilding muscle tissue in adults over the age of 50. As the body ages, muscle mass naturally declines, a condition known as sarcopenia, and this process can accelerate if protein intake is not sufficient. Chicken breast provides high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids that the body needs to repair and preserve muscle fibers. Some doctors explain that aging muscles become less responsive to protein, which means the quality and consistency of intake matter more than ever. Another key benefit of chicken breast is its lightness on the digestive system. Many older adults experience slower digestion, reduced appetite, or a feeling of fullness after small meals. In such cases, heavy or fatty foods can become difficult to tolerate. Chicken breast offers a solution by delivering dense nutrition without causing discomfort. Research suggests that lean proteins are more efficiently processed by the body, allowing better absorption and utilization of nutrients that directly support strength and mobility. Chicken breast is also naturally low in saturated fat, which makes it a heart-friendly choice while still supporting muscle health. Health professionals often recommend reducing excess fat intake, especially from processed or fatty meats, as it may increase the risk of cardiovascular issues. Choosing lean protein like chicken allows the body to receive what it needs for muscle maintenance without adding unnecessary strain to the heart or blood vessels. Some doctors also highlight the importance of protein timing throughout the day. Instead of consuming most protein in one meal, spreading it evenly helps the body use it more effectively. Including chicken breast in regular meals can help meet these needs without requiring large portions. Its mild flavor and soft texture also make it easier to eat, especially for those who may have dental concerns or reduced appetite. Maintaining muscle strength is essential for everyday independence. Weak muscles can make simple tasks like standing, walking, or carrying items more difficult and increase the risk of falls. Studies show that adequate protein intake is linked with better physical function in older adults. By regularly including chicken breast as part of meals, the body receives steady support to preserve strength, improve balance, and maintain overall physical ability. This becomes even more important during recovery periods, such as after illness or reduced activity, when muscle loss can happen more rapidly. Some clinical observations suggest that increasing protein intake during these times can help slow down muscle breakdown and support recovery. Chicken breast, being simple, nourishing, and easy to prepare, fits well into daily routines and helps ensure that the body continues receiving the protein it needs to stay strong over time. Pumpkin seeds are a compact but powerful source of nutrition that supports muscle function and recovery in adults over 50. Despite their small size, they contain a rich combination of protein, magnesium, and zinc, all of which play essential roles in maintaining muscle strength. As the body ages, muscle repair slows down, and nutrient absorption may become less efficient. Foods that provide multiple supportive nutrients in small portions become especially valuable. And pumpkin seeds offer this advantage in a simple, natural form. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals found in pumpkin seeds, and it directly supports how muscles contract and relax. Some doctors explain that low magnesium levels are commonly linked with muscle cramps, stiffness, and weakness, especially in older adults. Research has shown that adequate magnesium intake can help improve muscle performance and reduce the frequency of cramps, which often disturb sleep or limit mobility. This makes pumpkin seeds a gentle and practical way to support daily muscle comfort. In addition to magnesium, pumpkin seeds provide a steady amount of plant-based protein, which contributes to muscle maintenance and repair. While the protein content may not be as high as animal sources, it still plays a supportive role, especially when consumed regularly. For individuals who prefer lighter or plant-based options, pumpkin seeds can help fill nutritional gaps without placing extra strain on digestion. Their soft texture also makes them easier to chew and consume compared to harder snacks. Zinc is another key nutrient present in pumpkin seeds, and it plays an important role in tissue repair and immune function. Some health experts note that zinc levels may decline with age, which can slow down healing and recovery processes in the body. By including zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, the body is better equipped to repair muscle tissue after daily use and maintain overall resilience. This becomes especially important in preventing long-term weakness. Another benefit of pumpkin seeds is their natural support for energy production. Magnesium is involved in converting food into usable energy, which helps muscles perform their tasks more efficiently. Studies suggest that low energy levels in older adults are sometimes linked to poor nutrient intake, including magnesium deficiency. By supporting energy at the cellular level, pumpkin seeds help maintain stamina for everyday activities without causing heaviness or fatigue. Pumpkin seeds also offer healthy fats that support overall body function without overwhelming the digestive system. These fats contribute to nutrient absorption and provide a steady source of energy. Because appetite may decrease with age, foods that combine protein, minerals, and healthy fats in small portions become highly beneficial. Pumpkin seeds fit into this need by offering concentrated nutrition in a manageable amount. Regular intake of pumpkin seeds can support muscle stability, reduce discomfort, and promote recovery over time. Some clinical observations suggest that individuals with balanced mineral intake tend to experience better muscle control and fewer episodes of cramping or weakness. Including pumpkin seeds as part of daily eating patterns provides consistent support for the muscles, helping maintain strength and comfort as the body continues to age naturally. Lentils, often known as dal, are a plant-based powerhouse that provides essential nutrients needed to support muscle strength in adults over 50. They contain a valuable combination of protein, fiber, and iron, which work together to nourish the body in a gentle yet effective way. As muscle mass naturally declines with age, maintaining a steady intake of protein becomes increasingly important. Lentils offer a practical solution, especially for those who may eat less meat or prefer lighter, easier to digest foods. The protein found in lentils supports muscle repair and maintenance, helping the body preserve strength over time. While plant-based protein is sometimes considered less concentrated than animal sources, regular intake can still contribute meaningfully to daily protein needs. Some doctors explain that consistency matters more than quantity alone, and including foods like lentils regularly can help slow the progression of age-related muscle loss. Their soft texture also makes them easier to consume, particularly for those who may have difficulty chewing heavier foods. Fiber is another key benefit of lentils, and it plays an important role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Research suggests that sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar can lead to fatigue, weakness, and reduced physical activity. When energy levels fall, the body becomes less active, which can accelerate muscle loss over time. Lentils help provide a steady release of energy, allowing the body to remain active and engaged throughout the day. This steady energy support becomes especially important for maintaining mobility and independence. Iron, which is also present in lentils, supports oxygen transport in the blood and helps reduce feelings of tiredness. Some health experts note that low iron levels are common in older adults and may contribute to fatigue and reduce stamina. By including iron-rich foods like lentils, the body can maintain better energy levels, which directly supports muscle function and daily movement. Improved oxygen flow also helps muscles perform more efficiently during routine activities. Another advantage of lentils is their ease on the digestive system. As digestion becomes more sensitive with age, foods that are both nourishing and gentle become more valuable. Lentils, when cooked properly, are soft and easy to digest, making them suitable for regular consumption. This helps ensure that the body continues receiving important nutrients without causing discomfort or heaviness after meals. Some studies also suggest that diets rich in plant-based foods like lentils are associated with better long-term health outcomes, including improved muscle function and metabolic balance. The combination of protein, fiber, and essential minerals creates a supportive environment for the body to maintain strength naturally. Including lentils as a regular part of meals provides steady nutritional support, helping reduce the risk of weakness, fatigue, and further muscle decline as the body continues to age. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources, providing all essential amino acids needed to support muscle repair and growth in adults over 50. As the body ages, its ability to use protein efficiently begins to decline, a process sometimes referred to as anabolic resistance. This means that simply eating small amounts of protein may no longer be enough to maintain muscle strength. High-quality protein sources like eggs become especially important because they deliver concentrated nutrition that the body can recognize and use effectively. One of the key nutrients found in eggs is leucine, an amino acid that plays a direct role in signaling the body to build and preserve muscle tissue. Some doctors explain that leucine acts as a trigger for muscle protein synthesis, which is the process that repairs and strengthens muscle fibers. Research suggests that older adults may require slightly higher amounts of leucine to activate this process compared to younger individuals. Eggs naturally provide this nutrient in a balanced form, making them a reliable option for supporting muscle health. Eggs are also easy to digest, which is an important factor for seniors who may experience changes in digestion or reduced appetite. Foods that are soft and simple to prepare are often more appealing and easier to consume regularly. This consistency is important because muscle maintenance depends on a steady supply of nutrients rather than occasional intake. Eggs can be included in meals without causing heaviness, allowing the body to receive nourishment without discomfort. In addition to protein, eggs contain important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12 and choline, which support overall body function. Vitamin B12 plays a role in nerve health and energy production, both of which are closely linked to muscle performance. Some health experts note that deficiencies in B12 can lead to weakness and fatigue, which may contribute to reduced physical activity over time. By providing these supportive nutrients, eggs help maintain not only muscle strength, but also the energy needed for daily movement. Another advantage of eggs is their versatility, which can encourage regular consumption. When appetite decreases with age, having simple and adaptable food options becomes important. Eggs can be prepared in different ways while still maintaining their nutritional value, making them easier to include in daily routines. This helps ensure that the body continues to receive high-quality protein without relying on large or complex meals. Some studies also suggest that diets including adequate protein from sources like eggs are associated with better muscle preservation and physical function in older adults. Maintaining muscle strength supports balance, mobility, and independence, which are essential for quality of life. By regularly including eggs as part of daily nutrition, the body receives the building blocks it needs to repair, maintain, and protect muscle tissue as it continues to age. Greek yogurt provides a powerful combination of protein and calcium, both essential for maintaining muscle and bone strength in adults over 50. As the body ages, the risk of losing muscle mass and bone density increases, making it important to choose foods that support both at the same time. Greek yogurt stands out because it contains a higher concentration of protein compared to regular yogurt, which helps the body repair and preserve muscle tissue more effectively. Protein plays a central role in preventing muscle loss, especially in older adults who may not consume enough through daily meals. Some doctors explain that spreading protein intake throughout the day improves how the body uses it, and including foods like Greek yogurt can help meet this need in a simple way. Its smooth texture and mild taste also make it easier to eat regularly. Even when appetite is reduced or digestion feels sensitive, calcium is another key nutrient found in Greek yogurt, and it is critical for maintaining strong bones. With age, bones naturally become weaker and more fragile, increasing the risk of fractures and reduced mobility. Research suggests that adequate calcium intake can help slow down bone loss and support overall skeletal strength. By providing both protein and calcium together, Greek yogurt offers dual support that becomes increasingly important over time. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support digestive health. As digestion changes with age, the body may become less efficient at absorbing nutrients from food. Some health experts note that a healthy gut environment improves nutrient absorption, allowing the body to make better use of the protein, vitamins, and minerals consumed. This means that the nutrients in Greek yogurt are not only present, but also more effectively utilized. Another advantage of Greek yogurt is its ability to provide nourishment without feeling heavy. Many older adults prefer lighter meals that do not cause discomfort or fullness. Greek yogurt fits this need by delivering dense nutrition in a form that is gentle on the stomach. This can help encourage consistent eating habits, which are important for maintaining strength and energy levels over time. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of dairy products, like Greek yogurt, is associated with better muscle function and bone health in older adults. Maintaining both muscle and bone strength supports balance, reduces the risk of falls, and helps preserve independence in daily life. Including Greek yogurt as part of a regular eating pattern provides steady nutritional support, helping the body stay strong, stable, and active as it continues to age naturally. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which play an essential role in preserving muscle strength in adults over 50. As the body ages, maintaining muscle becomes more challenging due to natural changes in metabolism and increased inflammation. Protein from salmon provides the essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, helping slow down the gradual loss of strength that often comes with age. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon offer an additional benefit by helping reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Some doctors explain that low-grade inflammation is a hidden factor that can accelerate muscle breakdown and weaken physical function over time. Research suggests that omega-3 South may help improve the body's response to protein, allowing muscles to use nutrients more effectively for repair and growth. This makes salmon not just a source of protein, but also a supportive food that enhances how the body maintains muscle. Another advantage of salmon is its positive effect on muscle quality, not just muscle size. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids may help improve muscle strength and function, which are critical for daily activities such as walking, standing, and maintaining balance. Stronger muscles reduce the risk of falls and support independence, which becomes increasingly important in later years. By including salmon regularly, the body receives nutrients that support both performance and protection. Salmon is also relatively easy to digest, making it suitable for older adults who may experience changes in appetite or digestion. Foods that are soft and light while still being nutrient-dense are often better tolerated and more likely to be eaten consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining muscle, as the body relies on a steady supply of nutrients rather than occasional intake. Salmon provides this in a form that is both satisfying and gentle on the stomach. In addition to protein and omega-3s, salmon contains important vitamins such as vitamin D, which supports bone health and muscle function. Some health experts note that vitamin D deficiency is common in older adults and may contribute to weakness and reduced mobility. By providing this nutrient naturally, salmon helps support the connection between muscle strength and bone stability, which is essential for safe movement. Some clinical observations suggest that diets including fatty fish like salmon are associated with better physical function and reduced muscle decline in older adults. The combination of anti-inflammatory properties and high-quality protein creates a strong foundation for maintaining strength over time. Including salmon as part of regular meals can help protect muscle tissue, support recovery, and promote overall physical resilience as the body continues to age. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.